हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एसेंशियल के राउंड वन, जिसके नाम है बिहेवियर एंड कॉन्जुगेटिव असेसमेंट। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है और इसके बारे में हम सारे क्वेश्चंस को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं, ये राउंड वन में जो बिहेवियर असेसमेंट और कॉन्जुगेटिव असेसमेंट है, ये एक्चुअली में होता क्या है। देखिए, ये जो असेसमेंट है यहाँ पे आपकी पर्सनालिटी और बिहेवियर असेसमेंट है, यानी कि आपके यहाँ पे माइंड सेट को टेस्ट किया जाता है, आपके टीम वर्क के स्टाइल को टेस्ट किया जाता है, डिस्कशन मेकिंग एबिलिटी को टेस्ट किया जाता है। यहाँ पे आपको कोई भी टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे। यहाँ पे इस राउंड वन में टोटल आपके पास 54 क्वेश्चन होंगे। आपको 20 मिनट का यहाँ पे टाइम लिमिट मिलेगा, ठीक है। इसमें से अब कुछ क्वेश्चन को हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। ये है पार्ट वन वीडियो इस टॉपिक का। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर वन है, यू आर गिवन अ टाइट डेडलाइन एंड मल्टीपल टास्क, व्हाट विल यू डू। so when you have a tight deadline and multiple tasks, what will we do? So we have four option here. So the correct option here, it will help you and it will test your teamwork style, mindset and discussion making ability. So ये तीन चीजें अपने माइंड में रख के आंसर को टिक करना है। Now let's see the option number A, that is a complete task randomly. It When we talk about option number A, so random work lead to be inefficient and it's gives some mistake also. That's why option number A is wrong here. Okay, let's talk about option number B. Prioritize tasks based on the importance and deadline. So when we talk about this one, option number B, providing tasks shown data time management, planning, and responsibility. It also helps to give the qualities that company look for. That's why option number B may be right, because we have other option also. Let's see other option. Let's talk about option number C, ignore difficult task. So when we talk about option number C, it avoiding the difficult task, so the lack of accountability. That's why option number C is wrong here. Option number D, wait for manager instruction. It means waiting and wasting time. It's so lack of initiative. Okay, that's why only option number B is the correct here. Option number B is the correct here because it's so the time management, planning and responsibility that's company looking for. Okay, option number B is the correct one. Now your teammate is not contributing to the project, what will you do? The correct option here, let's talk about option number A, ignoring the situation. It When we ignore any situation, it affect the team performance. That's why option number A is the wrong here. And option number B, report immediately to the manager. It means that escalating immediately, so the poor collaboration. That's why option number B is wrong here. Let's talk about option number C, talk to teammate and understand the issue. So this option number C, the communication and the teamwork are key. That's why understanding the key issue may solve the problem. That's why option number C is the correct one. Let's talk about option number D, do all work yourself. When we talk about do all work yourself, it doing all work lead to a burnout and imbalance. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number C is the correct here. Okay, option number 3, you made a mistake in a project, what is your response? Okay, when you make any mistake in the project, what will your response? Let's take about option number A, hide the mistake. Hide the mistake is hiding create bigger problem later. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. Blame other means damage trust. That's why option number B is wrong here. Option number C, accept and fix it. Accept and fix it. It so the ownership and accountability are highly value treated. That's why option number C is the correct one. Ignoring it, it means that ignoring can lead the serious consequence. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number C is correct here. Now, what do you how do you handle criticism? ठीक, क्रिस्टिज्म कैसे आपको हैंडल करेंगे? सबसे पहले ऑप्शन नंबर ए, टेक इट्स पर्सनली. टेक इट पर्सनली मीन्स इमोशनली रिएक्ट इन, that is so unprofessionalism. That's why option number A is wrong here. Let's talk about option number B, ignore it means ignoring block improvement. That's why option number B is wrong here. Option number C, learn and improve. Growth mindset is important in professional environment. That's why option number C is correct here. Let's talk about option number D, argue with the person. Argue with the person means damaging relationship. That's why option number D is wrong here. Then only C is correct here. Now, if you disagree with your manager, what will you do? The correct option here, let's talk about option number A, Stay silent showing the prevent innovation. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. Argue aggressively, that's why aggregation is unprofessional in any organization. That's why option number B is wrong here. Option number C is respectfully share your opinion. Option number C is correct because professional communication and respect are the key that the company looking for. Option number C is the correct here. Now ignore instruction. Ignore instruction means ignoring instruction is a insubordination. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number C. It so the professional communication and respect are the key. That's why that's our looking company looking for. It's the best employee. That's why option number C is the correct one. Now, what is the next number? 2, 6, 12, 10. Let's see. When we add plus 4, it becomes 6. Okay. When in the 6, when we add 6, it becomes 12. When we add 8 in 12, it become 20. So just see, we have plus 2 and again plus 2. So when we add 20, sorry, when we add 10 in 20, it become 30. Okay, because यहाँ पे जो पैटर्न बन रहा है +4 +6 +8 देन +10 का बनना है, ठीक है। तो जब 20 में हम लोग 10 को ऐड करेंगे तो बिकम बनेगा 30 बनेगा। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन। ओके, now if all cats are dog and all dogs an animal, then just see, it follow the transitive logic. So then cat become dog and dog become animal. So the correct option here is option number A. All cat are animal. All cat are animal. Okay. Why other option is wrong when we talk about option number B? Some animal are cat. It's so it give no guarantee that some animal are cat. Okay. Then option number C. No cat are animal. It give completely incorrect. That's why option number C is incorrect here. Cannot determine it. Conclusion is clearly possible. Okay. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number A is the correct here. Now choose the odd one out. Apple, mango, carrot, banana. Apple, banana and mango is a fruit. Okay, and carrot is a vegetable. Okay, so option number C is the correct one. It is a odd one. Okay, and A, B, D all apple, mango and banana are all fruits. That's why only option number C, that is carrot is a vegetable. Now a train travel 60 kilometer in 1 hour. Okay, how far in 3 hours? Okay, just see, when we talk about a distance equal to speed into time, and what is the speed here? That is 60 kilometer. 60 into time, what is the time here? That is 3 hours into 3 hours, that is your 180 kilometers. Okay, so option number C is the correct one, 180 kilometer. Okay, now if coding equal to 123 and coding plus coding, what is become? So just see, coding is 123 and 123, coding means 123 plus 123 become 246. So option number 246 is correct here. Okay, now you are assigned a task outside your skill set. What will you do? Okay, so the correct option here is option number B. Try to learn and complete it. Okay, so it show the ability and willingness to learn. Why option number A is wrong here? Option number A is wrong here because it say refuse immediately. It's so rigidity. Okay, it's so rigidity और आप एक तरह से कह सकते हैं कि आप उस चीज़ को करना नहीं चाहते हैं, काम छोड़ रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इग्नोर टास्क मीन्स इट्स सो इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज रॉन्ग हियर. डिले वर्क सो पुअर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज रॉन्ग हियर. Now you have multiple deadline at the same time. What will you do? So just see here option number A, that is a panic. Panic is a emotional reaction. That's why option number A is wrong here. Work randomly means it's so inefficient approach. That's why option number B is wrong here. Option number C, prioritize task. Prioritize task means तो हम अपने हिसाब से जो इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क है उसको पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे, देन जो कम इम्पोर्टेंट उसको बाद में करेंगे। इसी तरह से हम लोग अपना टाइम को मैनेज कर लेंगे, यानी कि ये शो कर रहा है। और जो हम लोग अपने इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क है उसको सबसे पहले रखेंगे, तो ये कॉर्पोरेट इन्वायरमेंट के लिए बेस्ट है। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी सी इज अ करेक्ट हेयर। एंड स्किप टास्क मीन्स अनप्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर। दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज रॉन्ग हेयर। नाउ व्हाट मोटिवेट यू मोस्ट? So the correct answer here, when we talk about option number A, that is salary only. Salary only means it is a narrow focus. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. When we talk about option number B, learning and growth. Learning and growth basically important. It's so the growth mindset and aligning with the company expectation. That's why option number B is correct here. Then so option number C, avoiding work. Avoiding work means it's so negative attitude. That's why option number C is wrong here. Option number D, working less. Working less, C, it's so the lack of ambition. That's why option number D is wrong here. Now, you see a conflict between a team member. What do you do? When you saw any conflict between the team members, so the correct option here is, let's talk about option number A, ignore. Ignore basically so the that you avoid the responsibility. That's why option number A is wrong here. Option number C, take aside. Takes aside means it create bias. That's why option number B is wrong here. Help and resolve calmly. It's so conflict resolution is an important soft skill. That's why it's best for team or a company, okay. That's why option number C is the correct one. Report immediately. Report immediately means not first step unless serious, okay. That's why option number D is wrong here. आपको पहले अपने खुद से उसको सॉल्व करना चाहिए, ये नहीं कि आप डायरेक्टली अपने सीनियर अथॉरिटी को बोले। जब तक आप आपसे सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है तब तक आपको सॉल्व कर जितना आपको बन पा रही है, अदरवाइज देन जाकर आप इमीडिएटली मैनेजर को बताइए। अदरवाइज जब तक आप खुद सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं तो आप उसको कामली रिजॉल्व करिए, ठीक है। दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज रॉन्ग हेयर। ओनली ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट हेयर। नाउ हाउ डू यू इंश्योर क्वालिटी वर्क? कैसे आप चेक करेंगे कि क्वालिटी वर्क है? तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए की बात करें तो यहाँ पे इस डू फास्ट वर्क। डू फास्ट वर्क मीन्स स्पीड ओवर क्वालिटी इज रिस्की। दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग हेयर। Skip checking. Skip checking means no validation. That's why option number B is wrong here. Review and test. Review and test basically it help to reviewing ensure the accuracy and reliability. That's why option number C is correct here. Leave it to other. Leave it to other means lack of ownership. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number C is correct here. तो थैंक यू एवरीवन, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। ये जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस है जो मैंने आपके सामने डिस्कस किए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू।